Good morning, guys. It's Monday and I'm starting a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. I am giving Matt just a tiny little bit more food than normal today as far as like the main entrees go, just because he has a little bit longer of a day. So I'll get to that in just a minute. But in addition to the water cooler, I'm giving him a Pure Leaf iced tea lemonade, so it's like a 50-50 split, and then a Dr. Pepper with cream soda, 0 sugar. So last night we had some of the Knorr sides. I think that's what they're called. They're like thin, flat pasta noodles. And we had those, so there's like a small bed of those noodles on the bottom. We also had grilled marinated chicken. So there is some sliced grilled marinated chicken on top of the noodles, a decent amount, and then there's some grilled zucchini, peppers, and onions from last night as well. But as you can see, the bowl is not full. Normally when I give him an entree, I pack everything down and try to fill it up because he is a man and he does need to eat. He also does physical labor all day, but again, today he has just a little bit longer of a day. So in addition to this, instead of just extra snacks, I did pack a small-ish sandwich. So it's just this like white soft Italian bread. Excuse my finger, I cut it over the weekend, or scraped it. Some rare roast beef, Swiss cheese, lettuce, and some mayo. So that's just to kind of bulk it up a little. I'm also giving him a Bartlett pear. These are so delicious. I actually have to wash this and take the sticker off. A banana. This is a cashew peanut salted caramel like granola bar type of thing, but there's no granola bar. It's like a nut bar. And I don't know, looking at this, I might throw in something else, even if it's just like a string cheese stick or something, because I'd rather have him have more food than not enough, although I think this would be fine. I've been packing my husband's lunches since 2005, so at this point, over 16 years, so I do know like what he can eat, what he can't eat. He tends to eat a little bit more in the winter, and a little bit less in the warmer months, but I think this will be fine. I'll just ask him really quick. He probably will just say that's fine, and we will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Good morning, it's Tuesday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Coke Zero in the cherry vanilla flavor, super tasty, and then a Body Armor Superior Hydration in the blue raspberry flavor. I just picked these both up at Walmart. I'm giving him 2 sandwiches today, just because they're on the smaller side. They are on like this soft Italian bread from, let me grab it. Just looks like this. It's like a soft baked Italian bread from Hannaford. My in-laws actually brought it over Saturday when we were having our garage sale. They brought over like cold cuts and bread for sandwiches, so we're just using the rest of that up. So I've got a turkey, Swiss cheese, and baby spinach with mayo, and a rare roast beef, Swiss cheese, baby spinach, and mayo. And then I'm giving him one of these pickle, oh snap, dilly bite pickle chips, a apple here, and one of these Sargento Balanced Breaks cheese and crackers. This one is pepper jack and Colby jack with Ritz crackers. So 2 kinds of cheeses and the little crackers on the back. And that's what he's taking today, and we'll see you tomorrow. So lately I've been making these veggie hummus wraps with the spinach artichoke hummus. I have a jalapeno cheddar wrap and I spread the hummus on it. I sliced some tomato and some cucumber. I used a carrot peeler, potato peeler, baby spinach, and some chicken breast like sliced from the deli. So I just have my panini maker already preheating. I add my chicken, a little bit of tomato, not too much because it gets kind of wet, and then the thinly sliced cucumber on top of that. And then I try to cover it with some spinach to prevent as much of like the moisture from leaking off into the wrap. And then as usual, I just roll it up, folding in the sides and tucking and kind of pushing down. My panini maker's hot. I spray it with a little cooking spray. I just put the wrap right on the panini maker and let it grill. So I let the wrap cook on the panini for a few minutes. It's hard to tell because it's not like, it's crispy, if you can hear it. So like the wrap got a little crispy. I'm just gonna have a few chips. These are the Ruffles cheddar sour cream chips, like the Ridge chips. And this is a wrap I've been having like every day. It's so good. I'm also going to have this apple, and then I'm just going to have a water here. This is just my son's Bubba brand cup, and it's just filled with ice water, and that's going to be my lunch today. And I'll probably have the same lunch tomorrow. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you because I do use my panini maker quite a bit, so I'll try and remember moving forward to show you guys what kinds of wraps and sandwiches I make on it. Good morning, it's Wednesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a tea and lemonade half and half by Pure Leaf, a blue raspberry superior hydration body armor, which you guys know when I get these, usually he has one every day until the 8-pack or whatever is gone. I did some food prep on Sunday night, and we obviously have to eat what I made since it's Wednesday already. I'm probably gonna have the same thing for lunch. So Sunday I made some roasted potatoes, onions, and carrots because I have a ton of carrots to use up. And then I also made some turkey meatloaf. I think I might have a little clip here. So I've got the roasted veggies here, and then it's hard to tell, but I've got 2 pieces stacked of the turkey meatloaf, and that's just a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I'm gonna brush it over and then it'll kind of melt when he reheats it. I have a Bartlett brown pear here. These are so tasty and crisp. A strawberry Activia little yogurt, one of these crunchy peanut butter Kodiak cake granola bars. These are a lot like the Nature Valley, where you get like the 2 really crunchy bars, like thin bars, but obviously they're just Kodiak cake brand and not Nature Valley. And then a Jack Link's beef steak strip steak jerky thing. But yeah, this is what he is taking today. Once again, I'm going to have the same thing for lunch too, and we'll see you tomorrow on Thursday. So on Wednesday, this is my lunch. I actually had to go out to a couple work meetings and I was absolutely starving. I did not eat any breakfast this morning, which is my own fault. So I just stopped by this local deli that actually I used to go to all the time when I was in high school, and it's still standing. It's like a mom and pop place, but I just got their chef salad. They make homemade dressing. This is just ranch, and then just your traditional you know, veggies, hard-boiled eggs, turkey, ham, over a bed of lettuce. It just looks like pretty basic iceberg, which is fine. So I'm going to eat this, and then I'm just having some ice water again. I have been obsessed with this cup I got for my son. I highly love this cup, like totally recommend it. I'm actually going to go get a couple more. I'm going to get another one for my son and then another one for me, so we have a few of them. But anyways, I just wanted to share since I remembered what I'm having for lunch today. Good morning. It is Thursday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a cherry vanilla Coke Zero and a blueberry blue raspberry body armor superior hydration drink for his lunch today. I made these, they're like sweet and spicy beef. It was like a sweet and spicy beef lettuce wrap with rice that I made last night. I think I have a clip. So instead of the lettuce wrap, I just put it over a bed of rice. You can see the rice is all on the bottom, and then the sweet and spicy beef is on top. Really tasty, but I just thought it would be easier to heat it up like a rice bowl style than make like all individual wraps, because I've already told you guys my husband works construction and it's just easier for him. I just try to make things easy for him food wise, rather than like constructing a bunch of things if I don't have to. So the bowl, I have a couple cut up navel oranges that I just sliced in coin shape so he can just peel the skin off and eat it. I've got a Light and Fit Greek caramel apple pie little yogurt here. One of the Sargento balance breaks. This one is pepper jack, Colby jack, and Ritz crackers. a Welch's Super Fruit Mix fruit snack. And then this is one of those almond peanut bars. This one is peanut butter and jelly flavored. I did find them at TJ Maxx. I got a couple different kinds. I got a salted caramel one and this peanut butter and jelly one. It's good. It has like strawberry chunks in it and like a little bit of peanut butter essence to kind of bind everything. But that is what he's taking today, and we will see you tomorrow on Friday. Good morning, guys. It's Friday and we made it to the end of the work week. I am exhausted. My son had off yesterday on Thursday and he has off today for the Memorial Day weekend. So I hope you all had a happy Memorial Day weekend, because by the time you see this, the weekend will be over and I'm getting ready to pack up the cooler. So I'm giving him a Pure Leaf iced tea lemonade, a Dr. Pepper with cream soda, 0 sugar, and leftovers is nothing fancy. I was gone all day yesterday with my son. I took him and a friend out to do a bunch of fun things, and then we had his jiu-jitsu lesson, so we did not get home till pretty late, and I literally just made Kraft mac and cheese and sliced pan-fried hot dogs. It's just like a simple comfort food, not healthy, but it is what it is. So again, Kraft mac and cheese, the hot dogs, black pepper on top, a perfect peach cobbler flips yogurt. This one is peach low-fat Greek yogurt with oatmeal pastry pieces and frosted cinnamon crunch. A pear here, one of the Welch's Super Fruit snack blends, and then a Jack Link's combo pack with the beef and cheddar cheese stick. And that's what he's having today for lunch. I'm probably just gonna have one of those hummus wraps that I showed you earlier this week for lunch today. And that's about it. So thank you so much for watching this week's lunch video. As always, there's an entire playlist of these types of videos linked down below in the description box. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.